Grind time official up in this bitch.
Let's go. It's grind time, motherfuckers. Yeah. Grind time, motherfuckers. Yeah. Y'all know, motherfuckers. What he done? Hey, man, hey, turn me up in the headphones. I can't hear. Yeah, I'm good. Talk to these niggas. It's Jones. The last to pass the piece with a fast release. My last release had to be a masterpiece. Hell, at least a 12 on your Richter scale. If you didn't measure that, you need to fix your scale. A picture tells the eyes where the scripture fell. A vivid imagination could depict it well. Compelled to demonstrate how the words illustrate. The verbs innovate, absurd, but still it's straight. Wait, they do incriminate, I could care less. The fifth gives protection from judge overruled objections. Plug ill connections in all directions. Undetected by metal detection. Perfection is fat, fictitious is artificial. The most beneficial credentials, they all official. Predictable thoughts get caught, that's why I ease through. Breeze through so fast, I look like glass. See through, I'm reppin' for Delph. I'm calmer than a stealth bomber. The radiation melts your armor. The detonators in a palmer. My hand clutching. Nothing's up for discussion but the repercussions. Instructions to clock the fast money. Dropping the stash money so I can flip through the projects thick and flash money. Might get me a project chick like Cash Money, but stick to the script, no bitches above money, man.